The following video shows what happens when an idiot has a camera. Viewer discretion is advised. J.J. Abrams and Ryan Johnson were not involved in the making of this video. Any anger or dissatisfaction felt is purely coincidental.
I would like to demonstrate an interesting difference between the two cars, and that is how they lock. I think the BMW is superior in this case. It's very simple. Both cars are currently unlocked, and both cars have a door open, in this case the rear hatch. In the case of the BMW, I can lock it, and now I can do whatever I want, take whatever I want out, and when I'm done I can close the rear hatch and it's locked. In the case of the Range Rover, if I try to lock it, it won't let me. So, once I've taken whatever it is I want to take out from the back of the car, I still have to have my hands free to lock the car after I close the hatch, which is very annoying. The car is under its cover, and I have to say I like the BMW cover quite a lot. It's got these I think they're fluorescent markings on it. Let me cover it completely and show you what it looks like.
No idiots were harmed during the making of this video.